Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Hitch House. Today we are checking out Pleasure-Way's 2021 Plateau TS, one of the most reliable B-Class motorhomes out there. This Plateau sits on a 3500 XD Mercedes Benz chassis with aluminum wheels and is powered by a 3-liter turbo diesel engine. Around the back of the Plateau you will find double doors with a roll-down screen so you can enjoy the weather without the bugs, roof-mounted AC unit, and a 300-watt solar package. The Plateau also comes with over 4,000 pounds towing capacity. Other exterior features on the Plateau TS include power awnings, collision prevention assist, a 2.5 kilowatt Onan propane generator, water heating system by Truma, and a classic metallic silver paint job by Mercedes, so you'll definitely turn some heads on the highway. As we head inside the Plateau, we start on the passenger side of the coach, specifically the kitchen area, one of my favorites. You will find stainless steel sink, gorgeous Corian countertops, single burner cooktop, and plenty of storage in this compact motorhome. The perfect spot to whip up something delicious on the road. At the rear of the Plateau is where we have our main sleeping and living area. This comfortable luxury sofa folds down at the touch of a button and turns into a massive sleeping area for two. The removable dining table also gives adventurers a place to eat inside when the sun isn't shining, and don't be afraid to catch the morning news or watch a movie before bed on the fold-out LED TV with Bose soundbar and Blu Ray player. Along the driver's side of the coach, you will find the second half of the kitchen, which includes a 6 cubic foot 3-way fridge and an energy efficient convection oven and microwave combo. The Plateau also comes with a full wet bath featuring stainless steel sink, more Corian countertops, toilet, mirror, and shower. Great for cleaning off after a day out in the wilderness. At the front of the Plateau, we have a clean Mercedes cab featuring plush captain's chairs, backup monitor, dash radio system, and GPS navigation for those backcountry adventures. Control the entirety of the coach, including awnings, systems, and lighting, with the 7-inch touchscreen control panel. If you like this video and would like to learn more about the 2021 Plateau TS or any of our other models, give us a call toll-free at 1-800-378-7118 to schedule an in-person walkthrough or to schedule a virtual appointment with one of our motorhome specialists. Stay safe out there, everyone, and we hope to see you soon.